If you want free access to a VEO 3 Ultra account, then make sure you watch this entire video. In this video, I'll explain everything step by step, how you can get access to a VEO 3 Ultra account with up to 45,000 credits completely free. But listen carefully, this offer is limited and only available for a short time, so the sooner you act, the better your chances of getting the full benefit. Don't skip the video, because missing even one step could mean losing this opportunity.